The Sunshine Coast offers many camping areas and places to get away. One of them, just behind Kenilworth, is the Charlie Moreland camping area. We're going to go and have a look. Let's shed on. Hi there, David here, and welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. Today I just wanted to go through a few things that I've managed to purchase that I think have made a huge difference in my camping life. Let's shed on and have a look. The first one, this is the Companion Rover, a 50 amp hour lithium battery. So it's small and it's really light. You've got power outlets for 9 different types of situations. You've got an inverter that runs 240 volt. It's got an Anderson plug, and that will charge the fridge, and as you can see, that's the fridge running behind me. And I found that this 50 amp hour battery will supply power unassisted to my 40 litre fridge for about 3 days. I tried 4 but didn't make it, so that gives me plenty. And having 240 volt gives me the opportunity to power drones, power all the other accessories that I might want. Of course, you're going to need to charge it somehow, and it comes with its own charger. So as you can see, it's just plugged in here to the car, and I run it off here when I'm driving and when I'm doing most things. You can also charge it off solar, but I don't need that. What I'm doing is plenty. So the Rover 500, it's Australian made, and I think it's brilliant. What else have I got? I'm glad you asked. Anyone who's known me will know that I rave about this. It's a DARCHE chair, but that's the size of it. Small, 2.5 kilos. Let's sit on and have a look at that. It folds up small and neat. It comes with its own bag. Then you bring it out, they're the legs. You fold them out. And voila, it's done. Nice padding the headrest. It's got a mesh that's not going to let you sweat. And the best bit is the seating. So there you have it. It's nice and comfortable, but the best part, and the part that I show everyone, it swivels. If I'm looking at something, then I can just direct my gaze without having to get up and move the chair. If I have someone else here, if there's someone here, I can spin and talk to them. If something happens over here, I can just adjust and have a look. And don't underestimate how clever and how good that arrangement is. So 2.5 kilos, easy to move, folds up to the size that it does, and it swivels. My favourite chair, and is now the only one I use. I really like it because if I'm sitting and eating, I can actually sit up so I can eat really nicely just like that. Or if I want to relax, I just head back. Got one more little thing I want to show you, so let's sheet on and have a look. The last thing that has made my life just that little easier is this. It's a light, it's a fan, just a light, just a fan, you might say. What's that got to do with things? Well, I turn around and it's a solar panel. It also allows me to connect to things like my phone and run my phone. More importantly, it runs my lights in my rooftop tent. I'm able to tuck this just straight underneath the envelope that allows for iPads, and it goes up high so it just can show straight down, and it's just fantastic. It's light, it's easy, it's manoeuvrable. I can use it for lights when I'm cooking, I can use it for lights whenever I'm doing anything, but particularly in the rooftop tent where it's probably been the most useful. Well, that's it for this episode of Wild Goose Adventures. Hope you like the bits and pieces. I've left a link for all of it down below, particularly the companion, the DARCHE Revolver chair and the DARCHE solar fan light. Until next time, like always, smooth sailing.